Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. You see, welcome viewers and subscribers. Somebody take offense to that intro the other day because, you know, and I greet the item in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Personally, I say, whatever they must say, you see, but I'm sure for the representation with them give me for replace that, not really coordinate with I and I. So we don't even go into that. You see. And them thing they are one of the reasons why, you know, before we go in, we also welcome viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make we help grow the platform. You don't know. Yeah, and we say them sort of attitude and mentality there. Why the thing that we're there today. You know, see, now we're looking at the school. There's this big complaint and concern regarding this gathering type of thing where I take over the whole. You know what I say? When we are looking at it now, we are wonder where school children need guard from. You know, see, you go to school, what kind of evil you do, who you have chased you, who could have bad mind you and your little innocence now, who could you have offended. You know, see, you didn't start turn duck off and this yet. You know? What the parents there? The parents don't know how you come by them paraphernalia there, how you reach them level there where you seek them sort of, you know, intervention there. What the parents there? Who inspire them thing here? Very same parents them. Weak-minded parents. When the two stand for nothing again really. Because these days they come like say, even the children them become a dependency rather than a dependent. You know, see, it's like people that depend upon them picking for help them out rather than see it as them duty. You know, see, that's the rotten thing where tech time becomes part of our culture. You know, see, the mother them, father them, parents, so nobody now have no time or you not have no moral footing for set no standard and maintain none because authority diminish. You know, the moment when the belly come into play, we recognize that things hard and criminality has always been like the modus operandi for the leaders them in a power. You know, see it, and no example not really did it. Because even adults need example too, you know. I just saw a human nature, so the thing said, standardize. You know me I say standardize a principle and then the whole of we know say, this, so, this make everything add up. Everybody agree with this make everybody comfortable and thing. And this work. So we are gonna work with it. You know, see it. So nice when you have that, you know, authority figure with that ability. You know, see, so it's nothing strange. See, we lead with to observe the fact that most of our leaders, them, you know, we talk prime ministers, them, and top politicians, them, no believe in nothing less than obeah. You know, see, first thing, when I Siaga best one of Ciara's most confidential companion was a obeah. Well, probably it wasn't even a warrior man, it was a poker man. You know, see. But the man them, boy, I really don't know. I don't know if you know how the poker thing work and how them set up and organize and orchestrate them thing. You know, see. But Ciara was a deep admirer of the Pocomania movements and things like that, and he used to dead it, but behind a man named Capo. Have a whole heap of they had a lot of national appearance, public appearances together, see. So it's a something where them that way persuaded for some reason. Them guys that will come from where up in them class there, them have the penchant there for demand certain level from the spiritual world, while them ridicule them expectation they have ghetto people, whenever ghetto people try to talk about God or them type of thing there. Spiritualism, you find say you have a systematic agenda where try get the people them for move away from that chain of thought that we are thinking. Yet when you observe them deeply, most of them approach to certain things is right with spiritism. Because we are so detached from these principles, we can't even identify it when we see it happen. See it. But their, approaches is loaded with a whole heap of spiritism. Portia seems to come show it. See the recent scandal the other day with the lunatic guy that we did run the cult down at Mobile there. See, it bust out to him. The two political party usually run behind him and ask him for direction and them type of thing there in our little Jamaica there, where we know and exist. No perfect. No, we're not perfect in a Rasta. Nobody, we not claim that, I ain't no perfect. You see, hence the reason why I'm on there, I ask certain questions. And the question then when me ask a certain question where we discuss with the demography and we realize, say, a whole heap of people share them same concern here. It's not our fault why we have this concern here. It's the fact that, well, then the politician them right across the world now move with much clarity, with much transparency. Them do what them want upon them own, and we left out on the cold and ask the question whether we play catch up, thing like that. Be it a positive or a negative move and for them behalf. See it? We still living at the dance a lot of time, and if you ask these questions, Rasta, so don't blame us, don't blame our ignorance. See, it's healthy for one to know why our politicians them love obeah so. See, we never really see them in a certain official Catholic church, them or them sort of thing there where them really closer aligned or support or me I say we don't really see them in a them facility there. We mainly see them associated with some little Pocomania, jumping up man and thing like that, rapid jump up man. Them type of people that we always see them align themselves with the people that claim so them can work obeah. Yeah. The people that claim so them can work obeah will go under the guys. Them say them as spiritualists, make them sound acceptable because obeah was shunned back in the day by regular Jamaican, like myself, yeah. One get caught with or involved in that. It was a taboo practice and a subject. A whole heap of people do it. Even the same people were shun it. See. But to see it becomes this revered and with such prominence these days, yeah, we have to wonder how and where that I go. Cause the main thing about it is that the guy them we are practicing a real, can't real. You see, them full of too much flamboyance, Rasta. It's like so basically now the spirit move from a certain nature of people, the rebel. You know what I say? And gone in the flamboyant party type nature of people them. You get what I say? Cause I be at that to say go on. Some guys were really expressive and kind of closer to the feminine nature than to the see. Sound more like a mix-up in one here than anything else. So I don't really understand how them so captivated and managed for influence, educated and well-thinking people. No, I not deny spiritualism, and the reality of it. But the practitioners these days, you have to see, it have to add up. You see, a guy can't just get up and start preach and talk and say, well, let him is this and him know that and right. And him, no standard, no boundary never there for what be a man. We don't know no principle and nothing will stop them from achieving or accumulating wealth. You see, and we all are driven that way, our expectation and them things there as human beings. So we can't see why a guy is rich for himself. You think he out there try to help other people rich. The protection for yourself, you can protect other people. And the people them buy into it, the parents them buy into it that deep, that's even them very young, innocent children them now. Feel like say it is the way. It is the way forward and it's necessary and worthwhile. It's a waste of time, youth and youth. You see, and hopefully the plea reach to the eye, them ears them and the eye them come out of them folly and stupidity. You see, you figure you have God to like the man where I pray to God for the obeah man I pray to God or I try use God and spirit and devil and them thing to protect you. Why you yourself, who you think, who protect the obeah man Rasta? Who protect the obeah man? You see, and that's so you go get your protection from the highest protection, if needs be. How comes our school children them need protection from obeah and why? That is another thing. That's the substance of the whole argument. If you now find out why we cannot defeat the problem, you can't just come and talk about you them away obeah man ring and you don't know why. You see, I could find out that I could, I could deal with that Rasta, I could take it from there so. You see, yes, the scamming culture have its effect, but how will you with them start think them way and feel like say, where them think they come in, where the necessity, see, really and truly, enough man embrace scamming, and I love do it too. The reason why I can't do it is because I don't see no positives out of it, because even this same obeah conversation, yeah, is another layer, another connected element to the same scamming Rasta. See, because the scammer them used to money and them get paranoid, them create all sort of, thing around them. And through paranoia and thing them claim, them seek protection from all about and, propagate this agenda, like say it is real or effective somewhat. See, and somewhere it becomes a fad amongst the school youth, them Rasta. Like I say, it's like there's no separation again between who is who, like the age bracket and the age group them. See, it's like grown-ups just involve everybody, everybody is anything. The discipline not there, the standard not there. And that's the breakdown there. No standard Rasta. See. And it a fail the youth them. You have to adapt certain principles and more. Nobody can just roll along, so just make the breeze that drive you along. You have to set guidelines. You have to set up tactics. Football team do it, cricket team do it, companies do it, governments do it, everybody set up a standard, every nation do it except us. We just have bounce from here to there and everywhere. We don't have no standard. Each individual have his own standard. And it is a big problem, Rasta. You know, see, the youth, them our future. Them have no confidence in themselves. Oh, we are going to have confidence in them and comfortable say the future is secured. A obeah man we are grow. And the mother and father them alright with that. Come now, we not stop and look down the road and see where we are trying. Create an aim like where we are go. Like, I say, where we want to go as a race, as a group of people. And how we can reach there. Everybody do that. Everybody want a house. Everybody, individually, it's harder. Twice as harder than as a community. Them talk all the while. Remember, I grew up in a Warwick Isle. A man used to just identify a spot. You know, see, a friend in however him come in at the community. And him buy up him material them. And on the weekend, the whole community come down and chop out the spot and dig foundation and lay foundation. Weekly. Him can go and do him work on him own. Him and him 1 mason or him 2 mason or whatever during the week. But on the weekend when the whole community free, and that's why they gather up spot. And that's why every man go hang out. Bring him shovel or a hammer. And we never used to see no man where come without a tool, Rasta. And the community grew from board house to concrete house and from electric wire one patted way down a mile away where be a little red and black wire run come and start shoot off going everybody out until the patted come further, Rasta, until everybody have them own meter. We have lost that as a people. You know, see. And the maddest thing in me as an old stepper, see my youth them, I come face worse organization than me. A disorganized future. And it's the reality, Rasta. We can consider ourselves integrated or whatever all we want, but if the social amenities aren't being applied to us as evenly and as equally as it being applied to everybody, we have to observe and realize our reality, you know. Nobody now gonna realize it for we. And we have lifeblood in our body, Rasta. You know, see it, and I just Jamaica, one place in the world, I say come like it's a spirit. I blow around like the spirit of disorganized, you know, unfunctionable nature. I blow around with. So we give thanks. We just say that because we can't accept this gathering business. I just run rampant. So Rasta, you see it. Yes, I. We give thanks.